Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the Algebra 1 concept of solving systems of equations. This is standard A.5C in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 20 off the 2016 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So, we have a manager purchasing some coffee mugs and keychains, and we need to find how many coffee mugs. So that's first off. We need to get very clear as to what we're looking for. We're looking for just the number of coffee mugs. And this is going to give us two different systems of equations, but you notice they're embedded within the real world problem. We have to assign our own variables. We have to write the equations ourselves. But once we do, solving it won't be that difficult. So really we're just dealing with coffee mugs and keychains. So I'm just going to label the coffee mugs C and the keychains K. Okay, so purchased a total of, we don't know how many coffee mugs and keychains. Obviously if we knew how many keychains, we could subtract that from the 21 to get the coffee mugs, or if we just knew the coffee mugs, that's what we're looking for. So we can write this. The number of coffee mugs plus the number of keychains. They gave us 21. So that's our first equation here. Now what's our second equation? Each coffee mug is $8.50, each keychain is $2.75, and the manager spent a total of $132.50. All right? So let's just change this coffee mug to 8.5. So every coffee mug is $8.50. Every keychain is $2.75, so 2.75, and then that's for the keychain, and that equals 132.5. All right, so we've got some options here. We can use substitution, or we could use elimination. And so let's start with substitution. I'm looking for the coffee mugs, right? So what I want to do is I want to rewrite this equation just a little bit here. And what I want to do is I want to put it in terms of the keychains. Because if I do that, watch what's going to happen. So if I want to isolate that keychain right there, this is what I need to do. I'm simply going to subtract coffee mugs from each side. So my K is going to equal 21 minus C. Now watch what happens if I substitute that 21 minus C right here. So let me do that right here. Get a little bit more room. So we have 8.5C plus 2.75, but instead of that K, I'm going to write 21 minus C equals 132.5. What I've done is I've gotten rid of my K. I am now down to simply one variable, coffee mug. All right, so I need to distribute out this 275. So let's figure out what is 275 times 21. All right, that's 57.75. So 8.5C plus 57.75, and then I've got the minus 2.75C equals 132.5. All right, so let's combine like terms. I got my 875 minus 275, 8.75 minus, or 8.5 minus 2.75. That's 5.75C equals, and I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 57.75 from both sides. 57.75. Let's see what that does. 132.5 minus 57.75 equals 74.75. And then all we need to do is divide both sides by 575, and guess what we're going to get? 13. There are 13 coffee mugs, and that's our answer.